Effective presentations are the cornerstone of success in network marketing. They play a critical role in communicating the value of your product or opportunity to potential prospects. A well structured presentation captures the audience's attention, conveys key benefits clearly, and leaves a lasting impression. Start with a powerful introduction that hooks your audience, followed by a logical flow of information, including compelling visuals and real life examples. By mastering these elements, you can increase your credibility, build trust, and move your audience towards taking action. Grabbing your audience's attention from the start is vital to keep them engaged throughout your presentation. Begin with a striking statement, a provocative question, or an interesting fact that resonates with your audience. Using storytelling and personal anecdotes can make your message more relatable and memorable. Stories create emotional connections and help illustrate your points in a way that pure data cannot. These techniques not only captivate your listeners, but also make your presentation more dynamic and impactful, setting the stage for a convincing and persuasive session. Delivering your key points with clarity is essential to ensure your audience understands and remembers the main benefits of your product or opportunity. Keep your focus on the value propositions that matter most to your prospects. Use simple and concise language to explain complex concepts, avoiding jargon and technical terms that may confuse your audience. Visual aids such as charts, graphs, and infographics can help make the information more digestible. By breaking down intricate details into easy-to-understand segments, you enhance comprehension and keep your audience engaged and receptive to your message. Utilizing visual aids and demonstrations can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your presentation. Incorporating slides, videos, and product demos helps break the monotony of speech and keeps the audience visually stimulated. Visuals can simplify complex concepts, making them easier to grasp. They also improve information retention by appealing to both the visual and auditory senses. Demonstrations of your product in action can provide compelling evidence of its benefits, making your message more persuasive. By strategically using visual aids, you can create a more dynamic and engaging presentation that resonates with your audience. Closing your presentation with confidence is crucial to converting interest into action. Effective call to action strategies should be clear, specific, and compelling, directing your audience towards the next steps. Whether it's signing up, making a purchase, or scheduling a follow-up meeting, ensure your call to action is easy to follow. Additionally, be prepared to handle questions and objections with ease. Address concerns directly, providing honest and concise answers that reinforce your key points. By closing confidently, you leave a strong impression and increase the likelihood of achieving your desired outcome.